Hello everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to Simple Crypto. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Solana wallet in Phantom. But first, what is Phantom Wallet? Phantom Wallet makes it easy and safe for you to store, buy, send, receive, swap tokens, and collect NFTs on the Solana blockchain. Think of Metamask, but for Solana. So to get started, let's head over to phantom.app. Click download and choose which browser version you'd like to use. If you're using Chrome, click add to Chrome. Add the extension and the Phantom Wallet will now be added to your extension bar. We're now going to be creating a new Solana wallet, so click create a new wallet. We now need to choose a password for our wallet. This is what we'll need to enter every time we use Phantom Wallet, so make sure you keep it safe. Agree to the terms of service and click continue. We will now be presented with our wallet's secret recovery phrase. It's important to never share this phrase with anyone. If it falls into the wrong hands, all of your funds could be removed from your account. Once you've stored your secret phrase in a safe place, we recommend having an offline copy for this for added security. Check the I saved my secret recovery phrase button and click continue. You can open Phantom Wallet at any time with a keyboard shortcut presented on screen. Click continue, then finish, and you're done. Click the Phantom Wallet icon in your extension bar and you'll notice that your new Solana wallet has been created. Congratulations, you successfully set up a Solana wallet with Phantom. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope this video helped, and if you'd like to see more, then don't forget to subscribe. Let us know in the comment section below if there's anything else you'd like us to cover, and we'll see you next time. Bye!